front porch sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another cleaning video for you guys, but we are also going to be doing some other stuff other than cleaning in this video, but this is going to bring you tons of cleaning motivation and just motivation to get up and get whatever you have to do on your to-do list. Mine was very short today. I wanted to do laundry, I wanted to clean the kitchen, living room, and the dining room, and then wrap all of Evelyn's birthday presents because her birthday is Thursday, so the day after you guys are seeing this. But we're going to go ahead and get a ton of stuff done. We're going to be doing it quickly, so this is a quick video, but I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it brings you some cleaning motivation. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Carlie. I do tons of cleaning content here on this channel. I also do some home decor, lifestyle, and motherhood as well. And I also have a ton of fun videos coming up, so make sure you guys bell notification is turned on. I have my Halloween clean and decorates with me going up next week. I am decorating this weekend for Halloween, and I am so stinking excited. I think I'm more excited to decorate for Halloween than I was for fall, just because I have an idea of what I want to do in my home. With my fall decor, I kind of just wung it this year, but so I have all of that Halloween content coming out, and then I also have some fall homemaking videos that will be coming out here soon as well. So make sure guys bell notifications are turned on because I haven't been doing my Tuesday, Thursday upload schedule. It all depends on how I'm feeling. I am 15 weeks pregnant, so I'm trying not to make myself have a schedule, and I'm just kind of putting up videos when I feel good and I feel like I can get them done and things like that. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. I would love to have you. So we were actually gone this past weekend. We were in Texas, and my mom and my dad were staying here with our daughter at our home, and I was going to return this fall wreath to Big Lots because I didn't have a place to put it, and I feel like it really didn't go with my decor. But when I came home, my mom had actually hung it up here on the window, and I absolutely love it. I wish I would have done this in the first place. It has those neutral colors, and it has the woods and the greens, and I have some greens throughout my kitchen, so it all ties in really nice. I'm really excited about this wreath, but I think I'm going to be changing it out for Halloween, so it's not going to be up in my house for very long, but while it's here, I am going to enjoy it, and I'm glad that she hung it up because I was upset that I had nowhere I thought I could put it, but I think it looks good here. Let me know what you think.
Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. change into someone who can love me. But you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over.
I may sound a little congested to you guys in this voiceover. If I sound a little squeaky, I am sorry, but when we got back from Texas, my husband and I got hit with like some kind of sinus thing. I believe it is just from flying and coming from Pennsylvania. It was like in the 50s and 60s when we left, and when we went to southern Texas, it was in the high 80s and it was super hot. And I think just transitioning from that cold weather to the hot weather and being on the airplane, and I always get congested on airplanes no matter what. Like every time we land and get off the plane, I have a headache just from all of the pressure and I get a stuffy nose. But we also had to wear masks the entire time. As soon as we stepped into the airport and we came out of the airport, we had to have our mask on, except for when you were drinking or eating. Some of that does not apply to all places. My husband and I were on our flight home and we were enjoying some candy and we got yelled at. We had to put our masks on even though we were eating. We had to put the food underneath our masks into our mouth. I don't know. If you guys are wondering about how it is flying right now during this pandemic, they are so strict and so serious about the masks. Doesn't matter if you are over the age of 2, you have to have a mask on the entire time you are in the airport. Even if you're sitting in your terminal by yourself, your mask has to be on. People were constantly getting reminded to pull their mask up. Even if it's below your nose on the flight, you have to pull it up. They are so strict and it is so hard, especially being pregnant. And I'm a person who cannot sleep with blankets over my head, or I cannot have like the scarves on up high because I feel so claustrophobic. So being on the flights, I think our travel time each way was 6 hours. So wearing a mask for that long for me was very difficult. And I'm so sorry if you guys have to wear masks every single day. My heart goes out to you. I don't know how you do it, but you guys are amazing. I would not be able to do that. But yes, if you guys are wondering about flying and masks, they are very strict.
Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones and be wild, 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 wild.
Also, I wanted to mention that we do wear masks when we are home and when we go out and things like that to the store, but those are they're not as near as long as wearing them for 6 hours. And I understand that masks are to prevent spreading it, and I totally agree with that, but it was very difficult for me to have a mask on that entire time. I'm not sure if you guys have any recommendations of different masks that are maybe easier to breathe through. If you do, let me know down below.
Summer's end, and you feel that this is your beginning. Will colors fade, but it's okay. There is good in changes. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones and be wild, 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 wild. think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty.
I know I will probably get at least one person asking me where my cardigan is from. My cardigan and my tank top are both from Nanomax Boutique. They're an online boutique. They're on Facebook and Instagram most of the time. That's like where I found them, but they have really cute, inexpensive clothes and the quality is really good. I think I paid $30 for this cardigan and I think the tank top was $10. So they definitely have affordable clothes if you guys are looking for like new boutiques to use or anything like that. Not sponsored or anything. I just absolutely love their clothes and I love all of the girls who work there. They're all so sweet and they answer you with any kind of questions you have. They do Facebook Lives all the time, like showing you the new clothes so you can see them on the models before you go ahead and order them. But I thought I would mention that is where my cardigan is from.
Come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. Far away from the city lights. We're far away from the city lights.
Every time I walk into my living room and I see Evelyn's little chair next to our big one, it just makes my heart so happy because half the time my husband sits in the big chair and she sits in the little one and they watch a show together and it is just the cutest thing ever. I absolutely am so happy that we moved that little chair into the living room because I feel like in her bedroom it didn't get a lot of use out of it. But next I'm going to go ahead and finish out this video by wrapping a few of her birthday presents. This was everything that I got her. I showed you guys everything that I got, I think 2 videos ago, but just really quick, I got her a Halloween book, I got her Blue's Clues, like little action figure people, a fake makeup kit, a double stroller for her baby dolls, which I'm so excited to give her. I got her this little Tots train. You will see her in a second. If you guys know the Disney show Tots, it comes with the train with Pip and Freddie and then a few little animals. I know every single character on that show because that is all we watch here in this house. What else did I get her? I got her the Blue's Clues mailbox, which I'm super excited about. I thought you could only get that stuff at Target, but Amazon Prime always comes in clutch with everything. And then what else did I get her? I think that's it. The stroller, the book, the makeup, the 2 Blue's Clues things, and the Tots train. Yes, that is everything that I got her for her birthday. My parents also got her a little pink train set. It is absolutely the cutest thing ever. She is obsessed with trains right now. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably know that because she's constantly playing with them every single day. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put all of her little presents together, wrap them, and get ready for her big birthday, which she's going to be 2 on Thursday, and I literally cannot believe it. Also, does anybody else always give your husbands hard times for not reading the directions before you put something together? That was me right now. I was just kind of looking at the box and trying to figure it out. And then at the end, I went over the directions and I did it right. So give my little self a pat on the back for that one. But if this was my husband, I would have been yelling at him. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys all probably Friday in my next video. I think that's when I'm going to upload next, but make sure you guys' bell notifications are turned on so you get notified when I do uploads. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.